Vehicle vinyl wrap can transform your car, pickup truck, van, or SUV. It also protects your paint. Install a car wrap over pristine paint, enjoy a customized finish, and then you're back to pristine paint when you're ready to remove the vinyl wrap. A3 Wraps offers hundreds of designer colors and patterns from top-tier vehicle vinyl wrap manufacturers like the 3M Company and Avery Dennison. If you're in the mood for changing things up with the aesthetic of your vehicle, a color change car wrap from A3 Wraps is the perfect way to get maximum impact. Our color change vinyl wraps can have your car, pickup truck, van, SUV, boat, trailer, or bus sporting a totally new and stylish look, fast. Whether you want the stately neutrality of Nardo Gray, the flash of chrome, or the streetwise look of camouflage car wrap, we have hundreds of options to choose from. Matte black car wrap, army green car wrap, gloss white car wrap. You get to customize your vehicle's appearance with a stunning vehicle vinyl wrap from A3 Wraps. Also, luckily for you, A3 Wraps has Denver's best car wrap installation warranty. Call 720-647-9688 today to schedule your very own custom car wrap.